Welcome to drillingcontractor.org. I'm Alex Endres, and joining me today is Ben Hiltel, President of Fluid Systems. And we're going to talk about their newest shaker, the MultiG, as well as other trends in solids control. Ben, thanks so much for coming in today.
Thanks for the invitation.
So what is currently driving research and development investment for shale shakers?
Okay. Shale shakers are basically your first line of defense when you're drilling for the drill cuttings that are generated while drilling. So maximizing the efficiency and the amount of drill cuttings removal is utmost and important for the operators, of course. Also, the drilling fluids have changed over the last several decades. So one other issue is that shale shakers are important, but also the rig space is a premium. So technically, you're limited to how many shakers you can place on a rig. So therefore, you want the maximum separation efficiency and also the maximum capacity of this piece of equipment.
So about the MultiG, how is it helping operators improve waste management?
So the MultiG is a product we launched this year. Basically what we're doing there, the first step is going to the waste management, which is the secondary shaker. It's the shaker that receives the drilling fluid from the flowline shakers. And the option there, or the objective there, is that we maximize the solids removal, but we also minimize the amount of drilling mud that is lost. Everything that goes over a drying shaker or some sort of a drying device basically is waste management, so therefore the cost of lost mud, haul off, disposal, etc. becomes a big issue to the oil companies.
And how does this shaker work to exert 50 Gs on the drilling mud while also maintaining multi-frequency?
What we've done is we've partnered with a company from outside of the oil field that has the technology that was developed approximately a little bit more than a decade ago. What we're doing there is we're taking the energy that's created by the vibrating basket, and we call these devices that work on a resonance principle, we call them exciters, and these exciters have basically what's called a beater. The beater touches the bottom of the screen, and it will then generate the multiple G-forces and as well as the multiple frequencies.
And do you have any examples of applications that illustrate the improvement that the MultiG has shown?
Well, we have, of course, the application that we are finishing right now is in a well in the Eagle Ford in South Texas. We put the machine out right next to a standard machine, and we've seen improvements of oil on cuttings removal of about 50% versus a standard machine. We also have this technology in a mining application, and it's been there for about a month or 2 months now, and the improvement we see, it actually replaces between 2 and 2.5 conventional machines with the additional capacity.
Well, Ben, thanks for joining us today. It was very interesting.
Well, thank you for having us.
And thank you, viewers, for joining us today at drillingcontractor.org.